sama sa lahat. If you all don't know, I am Maxwell Trey, Iglesiero, single, Moreno. And I want to start by quoting the great Sir Reyes. He said to me one day, don't let nobody doubt yourself, because no one experienced being you. So, I wish to share the things I've learned today. As we finish our last year collection, I want to remember what happened throughout the years of us being together as a class. The first moments of us being together, and to the most memorable moments. First, the field trip where we learned more about history of Filipinos and talked about the Pavetta girls. Sports fest where we showed our talents, where we won second runner-up in volleyball, and where I dragged all of you guys except Max and Zara, the first runner-up in basketball. We also had fun as a class together doing this. Lastly, I can't forget the story where everybody found a jowa and where me and Kobe had a first kiss. But seriously. I really love being in this class. Even if all of y'all PMO, and I can go on and on about how hard and big this good year has been for me. And of course, also for you guys, from the change of class schedule to the loss of classmates, and overall more harder tasks. But they've come here today to be grateful to one another, even through these difficult times. Next up, I want to share about what I learned in this recollection. Firstly, I'd like to be thankful of these small moments where we were able to open up to each other and bond. I also learned that everyone deserves a chance to be loved and a chance to feel loved by their family members and friends. And then lastly, I want to share my gratitude and love to our teachers, staff, and CMO. I'm truly thankful for the guidance, teachings, and lessons we've been taught by our teachers like Sir Santos, Sir Camarines, Sir Subang, Sir Dapa, and Ms. Bonifacio, and Sir Dumanao. I wish to thank each and every one of these teachers on helping all of us get that closer journey to God. For me, you guys don't only teach us, but you also teach us how to grow as people. And also lastly, shout out to Aiden, Wax Pertigas, Teresa Chaco, and the man with the legend, Nature and TV, Gab Ginto, and Ryu Guevara, and Randy, and Enzo Correct. And lastly, I want to listen to Kobe Lumoco.